In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your website name in Wix. This is a quick update you can make from your Wix dashboard, and it's helpful when you're rebranding, refining your messaging, or simply correcting how your site name appears inside your account, and, depending on your template, in parts of your published site. First, open your Wix dashboard for the site you want to update. This is the control center for everything related to your website, so make sure you're in the correct project before you proceed. If you manage multiple sites, glance at the site name shown at the top of the dashboard to confirm you're in the right place. Next, head to Settings, then select Website Name. You'll find Settings in the left-hand sidebar of the dashboard. The website name option is typically grouped with General Site Details. If your interface looks a little different, don't worry. Wix occasionally updates labels, but you're looking for the section that displays your current site name. Now, click Edit next to your current website name. This will open a simple field where you can make your change. Think of the website name as the official label for your project within Wix, and in many templates, a name that may appear in headers or internal references. It's different from your domain address. Changing the website name does not change your URL or your domain. It's purely the site's name in Wix and how that name may appear in certain places. Type in your new website name, keep it clear and consistent with your brand. Shorter names are easier to scan, and correct capitalization makes it look professional. Avoid excessive punctuation or special characters that could display inconsistently. If your brand includes a tagline, consider whether it belongs in the name or should live elsewhere on your site. Most of the time, the name should stay concise. When you're happy with the new name, click Save to update it. You should see a confirmation, and the change will reflect in your dashboard right away. Depending on your template and how you've set up your header or site text, you may also notice the updated name where it's referenced across your site. If you don't see it immediately on the live site, give it a moment to propagate. That's it. Open your Wix dashboard, go to Settings and Website Name, click Edit, enter the new name, and click Save. A simple change, but one that keeps your branding consistent across your workspace and your site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.